Hi there. Thanks for stopping by, and you can probably tell by the title of the video that it's a special day today. Oh, I always forget to introduce myself. It's Donna from Ontario, Canada, and I'm just loving watching all of your guys' videos. They're great. I haven't been around too much during the summer, but I have been watching a ton of videos. Today's a special day because it is somebody's birthday. Yep, it's my birthday. And so because of that, and in tribute to that, I'm gonna have a giveaway. And I wanna say happy birthday to Summer. Summer's Tips and Stitches. Today is her birthday too. We share the exact same birthday. Not the same year, that's for sure. But the same day and month. Anyways, what I'm going to do today, I have 3 shout outs that I do want to make, and then I'll get to the giveaways. And the giveaways, it's going to be a little bit different because I focus on crochet, junk and art journals, and watercolor painting. So what I'm going to do in honor of my 3 groups is I'm going to have a giveaway for each one. And rather than make 3 videos, I'm just gonna put it all on one video. It's just gonna be a short video to watch anyway. So hopefully that's okay with everybody. So I don't think I ever did a crochet giveaway before. So I just kind of last minute, so I just gathered some stuff I had together, and you know, hopefully you'll be happy with it. So this cake, by the way, the whole family, my brothers and that are getting together for a dinner this evening, because my brother is August 24th and my husband is August 30th birthdays, so we all celebrate together. But I just thought this morning, I had some blueberries, wild Ontario blueberries, which is nothing sweeter, and but I didn't have that many left. I should have had more. And what I do is put blueberries all on the bottom of the pan and then white cake mix on top and cook it. But you're supposed to have about this much blueberries, and I had 1 layer, but it's still delicious. And I have some hazelnut coffee. I forget how much frame you can see, so I apologize if sometimes I'm out of frame. I just want to pick up my little list here because there's 3 people I want to make shout outs to. I wanted to make a shout out to Crochet Eh, that's Sandy from here in Canada out west. I'm just having a blast watching her. She's so funny. She's a fairly new YouTuber, but she's got right with it. You have to check her out if you need a laugh or a chuckle. And she has some great crochet too. But I mean, she's just really fun to watch. And that's Crochet Eh. I'll put a link in the bottom. Another one is I sponsored both of these people on Patreon. I have a certain amount each month that I put out to makers just to give back, and I added Cozy Cottage Crochet. And that's Hannah, and she's going through huge life struggles right now, or changes, let's say. If you want to find out about that, just go give her a watch. She's just a real sweetheart, so I decided to add her to my Patreon list that I support. And another one is Creative Grandma, and I wanted to support her. She has lots of YouTube subscribers and lots of support, but the reason I wanted to support her is I watch her all the time. She puts all the time and effort. So I figure if I'm watching and, you know, kind of using her time, and she's taught me so much, I figure it's just like giving back. So, you know, that's just my 2 cents. So go check those out. And those are my 3 shout outs. So, okay, on to the giveaway. So the first giveaway is for my crochet people. My crochet sisters. So anyways, I have a little basket here that I kind of just took from my stash, and it's not my last of them because my stash is kind of only things I love. I've donated and given away other things that I don't think I'm going to use or whatever. So I only have what I love, what I like. So I plucked out a few things here and there, and because it's still you know, fairly warm outside, and you don't want hot things yet. I pulled out these three. Oh, I need my glasses, sorry. Try not to make this too long. So I picked out these ice yarns. They're amazing. They're cotton, and there's 3 of them. Beautiful colors, and I've made some really pretty dishcloths and face cloths and face scrubbing pads with them. But I mean, you could make a little tank top or anything like that with them. They feel beautiful. Again, like from Ice Yarns, and it's called pastel cotton, these ones. So that's going to be in it. There's 3 of those. Then there's kind of the same thing, but it's more of a springy, you can see, it's a different kind of texture, but it's also, oh jeepers, I think this is all cotton. Let me see, I don't have the bags that they came in. Oh, no, 82. Okay, this is acrylic and polyester, this one, and it's called Color Twist. Sorry, it isn't like the other ones, I was thinking. So anyway, there's 2 of these. Okay, and I love these. Not everybody likes to crochet with really thin yarn. These are, it's only, I believe, a 1. Yeah, it's a 1. And it's called, there's not enough light in here. It's 92% cotton, and I think it says 5% polyester and 2% other, or 3% other, which is the metallic. There's a little bit of a sparkle in here if you can see it. But what I do, I don't crochet with just these alone. I add them to another yarn, like maybe a solid color, and I use it with it, and it makes it beautiful. Or I'll mix the 2 yarns just on the trim of a sweater, so your whole sweater is one color, and then when you do your, say you're doing I don't know, 3 rows of single crochet around the whole edging or something, then you can put something like this with it. I've done that before, and it just makes a beautiful accent. So just a thought. So, and it's called Red Heart Croquette. And I forget how much is in here. Of course, when I'm looking, I won't see it. Come on. Oh, 239 yards. It's right on the front. Okay, so, and then another thing I'm gonna put in the giveaway is this ball from Cotton Kings. So this is all cotton. It's called Cotton Kings Twirls. There's 800 meters in it. So you could make a huge shawl. And this is, it looks fine, but it isn't. It's like, it's almost like crocheting with like a 3-weight. You wouldn't think so because of how thin it looks, but it is. It's really easy to crochet up. And it's just like in 4 little strands, if you can see that. But it works up beautifully. I thought it would be brutal to work with, but very, very easy. And I can't remember if it's either from Hobie or Hopium. Sorry, I can't remember. Anyways, and then one mandala ball, this is kind of like a nice fall color. It's called Thunderbird. I love mandala because I love a 3-weight. So that's a 3-weight. So that's the giveaway for you crocheters. So hopefully you'll enjoy it. You can make a few nice items out of that. A big shawl for sure. So I'm just going to put these back. And I'll tell you how to enter in just a minute. So next, oh, there's one more thing. Sorry. For all my crochet friends out there. What I did was I wanted to give a free digital file for, I'm going to take one out of the plastic because it might be too, it might glare into the camera a little bit. But hang on here, sorry. So it's a project page, and it's, you name your project, the creator, location, start date, hopefully you can see this, hook and needle size, additional supplies, your yarn information. You can tape a piece of your yarn here, and then notes. I'm just going to show you what I did, and I'm going to make the digital file available to you. See, what I've done is I have it in a binder. I've just started this because I just made the sheet, and I've put them in little plastic jackets, and on the back I've slid in the pattern that I printed out. So, because I just need to keep things organized. I change the hook sizes, and I change, and I forget after. By the time I get back, find my whips and get back at some of them, I have no idea. So this is one. Hopefully there's not going to be a glare for you, but this is one I'm doing, the Just Feel Better shawl. Hopefully there's no glare because I can't see what you're seeing. And then I have all the information. Oh, you know what? I'm going to take it out because I have a feeling that there's a glare. So I have the information here. There's just a very slight background of yarn balls, if you're wondering. It's not seeing through something, it's just kind of like a shade on the sheet. So I have the name of the project, who it's by, when I started it this morning, and the hook size, the yarn I'm using, and then I just taped in a piece of the yarn, and then on the bottom I just wrote that I changed the hook size from the pattern and the yarn, that I was using different size than what the pattern called for. So anyways, I wanted to make it available free to you guys, and I had set up an Etsy shop a long time ago to have my name and whatever. And I did sell some junk journals through there, but anyways, so I do still have that site, and I went to put the digital file on there so I could tell you guys, go on over, print it out. It's yours for free. Just make copies, put them in a binder. You can reduce the size so it's in a smaller book if you want. But anyway, there's a cost on Etsy for every one you sell and everything. So what I did was I put it 50 cents. So if you're interested and you want a copy, just go over there. Once maybe I get my a website or do something, I'm not really motivated to do that right now, so I don't know if I'll do it. But if I do, at that time, I'll just put it for nothing. But if you want a copy, I'll put the link below. You can go on over and print it out, and then you have it for life. Make copies, do whatever you want with it. It's just really handy to have. Saves you the time of doing the formatting and everything. So anyways, okay, so that's for my crochet people. For my group, Happiness is Watercolor. It's a watercolor, pen and ink and watercolor group, and we love to watercolor. So to you guys out there, I'm giving you a package of watercolors. It's a really nice set. I'm just gonna slide it out for you guys. There's 18 tubes of it, and very nice. Like I said, it's all stuff I love, right? So I love the pastel shades. I just love them. The gray tones, and then all your standards. So beautiful, beautiful colors. So that's going to be for my watercolor peeps. Hi Rose. Hi Joanne. So I know you guys are watching or will watch. Hang on a sec here. Oh, okay, I'll do that later. Okay, and so for my junk journal, art journal group, which is called Junk Journal Tutorials on Facebook, is I have 2 little items for you. I'm going to add to this because I just grabbed, but I'm going to also add some ephemera and stuff to this giveaway. But just for now, so you see, there's just a regular, it's a traveler style notebook, just a different size. It has your plastic insert, your business card. It has a zipper, a little business card pouch area, and it has three notebooks in it. Or does it? Is there 3? Oh, sorry, there's 2. Oh, they're just really thick. Okay, so one is the craft paper. You can do lots of art journaling in there. And the other one is for notes. And it has a nice, it's faux leather. It's not real leather, but it looks just like Midori style. And there you go. It has a nice little, what my plan was to do with this was I don't know what's going on here. Okay. My plan was to, you know, sew lace and just totally do it up with, as a junk journal. So, but I mean, whatever you want to do with it. And then I have just a little notebook that I made, a little art junk notebook. And it's just got some lace on the side. It's been stitched around. There's a little pocket inside with a little notebook. And all sorts of tea-dyed paper, other kind of paper that you could just do your junk journaling. You can pick one occasion to put this in. You can keep your lists of something in here. There's a little charm on the front. I'm just trying to hurry. I know I didn't want this to be too long. There's like a little dressed lady with a dress on, a little charm in the front. And then if you have a traveler's notebook, what I do with these is I put them in, do I have mine up here? No. I put them in my traveler's notebook, like as a booklet in it, like this, but mine is bigger. So anyways, that's the giveaway. I'm not used to giveaways. Okay, so that's the giveaway for the Junk Journal tutorial group. Then the watercolor group has the package of watercolors, crocheters, the yarn, and the project planner page. So I think that's it. All that, I didn't even take a drink of my coffee. So I'm gonna try and get my next video done with my whips and my finished objects, and try and do that quickly in the next little while so that I can upload everything and maybe post it tonight or tomorrow morning. So anyways, for the giveaway, what I'd like you to do is, now because there's 3 groups, the crocheters, the journalers, and the watercolorers, I want you to, in the comments, name or describe or just write what your very last finished project was. Whether in crocheting it was a finished scarf, or in journaling it was a finished page spread, or making a journal, creating a junk journal, and then in watercolors, the last piece that you painted or drew, or whatever piece you did. So just in the comments, just say that below. And I guess the very last thing is I'm supposed to say that this video is not sponsored by YouTube or anybody, and anything I purchased on my own. And be sure that if you do win, if you do enter, that if you win, your country can accept these items. So anyways, at the end of the giveaway, it will be drawn on the very last day of August, which is August 31st, and a day or 2 after that I'll post the winners. So, and I'll use a YouTube random comment picker, and I think that's it. So thanks everybody for watching, thanks for subscribing and liking this video podcast, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.